Have you ever looked at your room and thought it looked boring and simple? Do you want to know how you can spice it up? These gadgets will make your room the perfect place for you to spend your entire day in. And not only will the gadgets be useful, they will be so much fun as well. If any of these catch your eye, don't worry, all the links will be in the description. So without further ado, here are the 13 coolest gadgets for your room that are worth buying. Number 13. Transparent speakers. Having your normal speakers does the job just fine, but what if you could upgrade them into these amazing transparent ones? Not only will these speakers look incredibly stylish and elegant in your room, they will make sure to give you the most amazing, high-quality sound ever. They are extremely versatile and super upgradable. Made out of durable, recyclable materials, they will become your favorite piece of accessory in your room. The little compartment in the back will make sure you can upgrade your speakers whenever you want, making them voice-controlled and even wireless. Next time you need a new set of speakers, check these transparent ones and elevate your room to the next level. Number 12. Saturn Nightlight. Do you want to bring the universe into your room? This Saturn lamp will help you bring at least one planet into your little own universe. The eye protective LED lamp will definitely be eye-catching for everyone that enters your room. The 3D printed planet will give your room a nice dimmed light and will even make for a great gift for your loved ones. It has a charging time of 2 hours and will light up your room for 6 to 8 hours. This super unique bedside lamp will definitely be the most used item in your entire room. It comes in 3 sizes, so you can choose which one works the best for you. Number 11. Light bulb humidifier. Humidifiers have definitely made their way into every household, but we found a way to make them even more fun to use. Have you seen a light bulb humidifier? Now you have! Not only will this gadget keep the air in your room nice and clean and fresh, it'll also give you an extra bit of decor and light for you to enjoy in the room. Simply unscrew the bulb, pour the water into it, and you are set to go. You can even further decorate it with rocks and small palm trees to really have that feel like you're lying on the beach. It will give you up to 6 hours of unstoppable air purifying. Number 10. Dyson Pure Hot and Cool Link. How great would it be if you could have a 3-in-1 product that not only will it be the perfect humidifier for your room, but it will also give you the option to either warm up or cool down the room too. This gadget promises to give you all of that in one simple small item that will fit perfectly into any place. The reason this product is so amazing is that it circulates the air around the room, transferring warmth into every corner and not just one place like your standard heaters. No matter what the size of your room is, it will adjust to it and give you an incredible air purifying power. Number 9. Dragon Lamp. If you ever wanted to own a dragon, this might be the item that will get you as close to a dragon as possible. This fire-shooting 3D printed dragon lamp will be everything you wished for. Live up your fantasy to the fullest by adding this epic lamp to your collection. It will give you the perfect yellowy red light that will just elevate your room to the next level. You can easily charge it with a USB cable it comes with, and you'll have a completely charged battery in only 2 to 3 hours that will last you a shocking 8 to 10 hours. So, why not bring a fire-breathing flying dragon into your room? Number 8. Transparent TV. Having transparent gadgets definitely makes your room look futuristic and out of this world. Even though most of these products are quite the investment, they're definitely worth mentioning, especially this transparent TV. The first ever transparent TV looks just like a piece of glass, but don't underestimate its power. They will give you all the features as your regular TV, but the advantage is the cool and sleek minimalistic design. If you really want to show off with an amazing and completely unique accessory in your room, then this TV will for sure be a jaw-dropper for anyone who sees it. Just be prepared to spend a lot of money if you ever decide to purchase this TV. Number 7. Harman Kardon Aura Studio 3. Let us tell you about one classy Bluetooth speaker that will change the way you see wireless speakers forever. The Aura Studios 3 speaker is everything you want from a Bluetooth speaker and more. Out of all of the speakers on the market today, this one definitely wins the most luxurious looking of them all. But don't let the looks fool you. This is created to give you an amazing, high-quality audio and a 360-degree sound. It will also allow you to change the light on it, so it can give your room a great ambience without ever turning the lights on. It fits perfectly into any room and will definitely be the most stunning speaker that looks as good as it sounds. Number 6. Phillips Somneo. Let's face it, the old standard alarm clocks are definitely not the most stylish thing you'd want to elevate your room. If you still need a good alarm clock that will look elegant and sleek with a design that can fit any room, then this one's for you. This Somneo sleep and wake up light will allow you to wake up in the morning without the annoying sound of the alarm clock. It will perform a rising sun with its light to slowly but surely wake you up. But besides using it in the morning, it can also be used to relax you and help you fall asleep faster with the sleep option. Number 5. Bubble Tube Lamp. If you want to create a calm and relaxing atmosphere in your room and add a bit of light in the meantime, then you will for sure love this accessory. This tube lamp will create the most satisfactory bubbles ever, combined with tiny moving fish and a gentle hum. You will create a perfect zen space for you to relax and just calm your thoughts. It has also been proven to be perfect for children with autism or ADHD, so that's a big plus. It uses LED lights that you can control and change to any color you want, so they can boost up your energy level even further. You'll definitely fall in love with this lamp the minute you see it. Number 4. Rick and Morty Screaming Sun Alarm Clock. If your regular alarm clock fails to wake you up in the morning, maybe it's time for a change. How about a Rick and Morty alarm clock? Do you remember the screaming sun from the Wedding Squanchers episode? Well, this clock uses that exact sound to wake you up in the morning. You'll get to experience the screaming sun waking you up every morning. If this doesn't want to make you get out of bed, we don't know what will. You can even set the alarm to keep the noise going for 42 hours. This Think Geek Rick and Morty clock will definitely make you smile, as well as make you cry in the mornings. Number 3. Luna Moon Lamp. What if you could take the Saturn lamp but make it better? Well, this lamp is focused on the moon, and not only does it bring the moon to your room, it also keeps it in the air. The Luna lamp is a levitating moon lamp that will truly bring a smile to your face as soon as you light it up. Each moon takes more than 32 hours to create, using a 3D technology to the NASA Pixels data to create the most accurate miniature replica of the moon for you. Thanks to the levitation technology, this lamp can float and rotate in the air, or stay in one position. It's totally up to you. What more could you need? Number 2. Nixie Tube Clock. If you're into old and vintage things, but put together in a new style, then this alarm clock will give you all that plus style, elegance, and utility. The base is made from solid oak with an acrylic top. Then, the tube comes to life and the magic happens. You can customize it any way you like, whether you want to display the time, the date, or even both. It comes with a sleep mode and an LED light that you could disable if you like to. The tubes are extremely durable, but if anything happens, you have the option of ordering additional tubes to replace the damaged or broken ones. Number 1. Sleep Improvement Robot. Many people have trouble sleeping these days. After trying everything, many people tend to give up, but we might have just found the solution for having a good night's sleep. Say goodbye to tossing and turning in your bed for hours and get your hands on this amazing sleep improvement robot. It uses various methods that will help calm your body and your mind, such as imitating breathing by raising and lowering the surface. You'll soon find yourself matching the rhythm of the robot and calm completely. You can also choose some audio such as a heartbeat, meditation, and more.